Hello and welcome to today's video, which is the third part of the repair of this violin. But before we start, let me welcome the first sponsor that is going to sponsor the repair series for 2021, and that will be Akurameister. It is the first time that a sponsor is going to support a long series of videos on my channel, and I'm very happy about that. Thank you very much to the people of Akurameister for supporting the channel, and I'm going to tell you a bit more about them later in the video. Today I'm going to finish this violin and we are going to play on it at the end and listen how it sounds. If you haven't seen the other two parts, don't forget to have a look to them. The violin started a bit in pieces, like that, and slowly by repairing the top and the ribs we arrived at this stage that it is right now. And today I'm going to make a new fingerboard for it because there was no fingerboard when I bought it. I'm going to mount the scroll onto the body, of course, and then finish up all the small parts. And if you like my videos and would also like to support the channel, don't hesitate to visit the Patreon page. The link is in the description as always. But you can also subscribe to the channel, that means also a lot to me. I will start by cleaning this surface, there is the old glue still on here, and then I will work on the fingerboard. The surface is clean. Now I'm going to measure together with the body, because I want to know until where the fingerboard has to go. Next, I marked the width of the neck on the back of the fingerboard and started planing. The fingerboard is good enough now. I'm going to glue it onto the neck and then give it the finishing touch. And then I can use the fingerboard to place the neck correctly onto the body. In 2014, Akurameister makes its debut as a flagship division of Talvan Brothers, India's leading wood specialist for the music trade, founded in 1948. Today, a third generation is dedicated to provide an extensive range of premium string instrument fittings. Their product range includes fittings for violin, viola and cello. Mainly, they have two series, the Ultimo and Preciso. They use boxwood, ebony, rosewood, snakewood and tin tool, and make the fittings in various models. As you might have seen in one of my earlier videos, I have used them and was very satisfied with the quality. For more information and to place an order, visit their website, the link is in the description. The glue is dry and the clamp can go off again. So, and now I can position the neck onto the body. Almost like that. The neck fits properly, but before I go ahead and glue it, I want to clean the top a little bit as it is very dirty. And I'm going to use some water and a sponge, and I have a 3600 micro mesh also. with the part under the fingerboard clean, I can go ahead and glue the neck. The glue is dry, the clamp can go off, and now we finally have the violin in one piece. That means that I can go ahead and now I will finish up the fingerboard and the nut. The fingerboard and upper nut are finished. Now I can go ahead and make the new pegs. Unfortunately, these are not pegs made by our sponsor, as I didn't have enough time to arrange that, but maybe we can see their fittings in the upcoming project. Next are the sound post and the bridge. Finally, all the parts of the instrument are finished. That means that I can clean it now for a last time and then mount it. And I will also put a little bit of stain on these new parts so I can color them as soon as the instrument is mounted. As you see, the violin is ready. It is playing again, and talking about playing, let's listen to it. I have to say that I am impressed about the sound. Especially the lower part is nice and rich. I like the sound a lot. That means that all the work has not been for nothing. It became a nice instrument. It is a little bit bigger than normal. It is a 36 centimeters body instead of 35.5. That gives it also a little bit more volume. I am willing to sell this instrument and I'm willing to sell it for a good price. So if you are interested in this violin, send me an email. This is my email address. That means that this was the last part of the repair of this instrument. But I can already show you what is going to be the next repair series. I'm going to work on this cello that I bought before Christmas. I have to say that I have never seen an instrument that is broken in all its parts. The top needs new corners. For instance, there are cracks. The ribs have cracks here. The back has even a soundpost crack. There are these 18th century pegs on it, but only 3. We are missing the 4th, so I will have to remove them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss it. These will be at least 4 videos, I expect. Let me thank once again the sponsor of today's video, that was Acura Meister, but also the Patreons who continue to support my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time again. Bye bye!